These are 3 energy techniques that I want to share with you. And it's something that I'm going to be sharing in my wellness plan this month. So what I usually do, and you can do this after you do a tapping, after you do a prayer, after you've meditated, after you've done some yoga, just after you've done some journaling, just after you've cleared your mind, right? And you've released some of that emotion that's been holding you back. You've set your intention for the day and you're ready to just get after it. But you want to protect it, right? You want to cleanse it. You want to protect it. You want to be able to know that you're not going to be taking on anyone else's energy. This is serious stuff. If you want to be healthy, wealthy, in love, and happy as hell, you need to know how to balance your energy consistently. We affect each other. So what I'd like for you to do, this is a little technique from Carol Tuttle, is you just place your hands like this, and we're going to do the infinity. So like a figure 8, that's the infinity sign. And what you do is you breathe in to bring abundance, and you exhale to get rid of any lack. Inhale, exhale, and do this 8 times. 3, now you want to protect that you brought that abundance in. You've sent out that abundance invitation. You're attracting that abundance to you. And now you want to protect it. This is from Lee Holden. He's a master in Qigong. So what you want to do is you just want your hands crossed in front of you, right about waist length. And then you inhale. Exhale down. I've showed you this one before. Inhale. One more time. And that will protect your energy. And it will also boost your immunity. Okay? And then the very last one is something that Carol Tuttle shares, but it's actually from the energy master Donna Eden. But what you do is you place your fingers like you're going to zip up a jacket or a pair of pants, and you start right about at your pelvic area, right where the zipper would be, right? And as you inhale in, so you just go. And what that does is that tightens you up, it zips up your energy, it protects you, so that way you are not taking on anyone else's energy as you are in contact with them throughout the day. So these are 3 energy healing techniques that I use every day to kind of finish off my meditation or my yoga practice or my Qigong practice, whatever I'm doing that day. It varies a little bit depending on what I need to clear out. But I always use those 3 energy techniques. So I hope that you will use them as well. Please don't forget to like and share the video. And remember, I'm on YouTube, so come on over and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to always comment and click on the bell, and that will ensure that you get notifications whenever I do add new videos. You can live your full life by just doing a few simple techniques to help keep your energy full. You cannot help anyone if you do not have a full cup of energy. So I hope you remember that. Please remember to always honor your mind, body, soul, and spirit. Self-care, self-forgiveness, and self-love are all of those components that are going to help you live a full life.